You're probably making these English mistakes every day and no teacher told you. Let's fix those problems today. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 English mistakes you didn't know you're making. Are you ready to level up your English? Let's fix those sneaky mistakes you might not even notice. Stay with me till the end of this video and you'll be shocked. Okay. The first one is the very like problem. So it is a common mistake that most people are saying like, I very like pizza. Well, on the other hand, it's completely wrong. The correct version of this sentence is, I really like pizza. Native speakers never say very like. They say really instead of very. The next one is the future confusion. Most of my students are making these kind of problems and mistakes every day. Like, I will going to the store. This is completely wrong. Instead, you can say, I will go to the store. Or you can also say, I am going to the store today. Mix will with the base form of the verb. Or use going to with am, is, or to show or to talk about the future. Try not to use both of them like, I will go into the store. The next one is the advice trap, everybody. Common mistake. It says it's a very common mistake that most people are using. Like this example. She advised me to don't worry. This is a very wrong sentence. Instead, you can say, she advised me not to worry. So let me give you another example. My teacher advised me not to stress about the test. After to in infinitives, we never use don't. Use not to instead. Let me read the example once again. My teacher advised me not to stress about the test. The preposition problem, everybody. Most of the students are making problems and mistakes in using the prepositions. And today I'm going to solve this problem once and for all. Look, I'll see you in Monday. That is completely incorrect. So the speaker used incorrect prepositions with days. Instead you can say, I'll see you on Monday. Correct prepositions with days. Remember the rule. We use in for months, years, and seasons. For example, I'll see you in July. Hey, I saw you in 2018. Or, let's meet each other in winter, for example. We use on for days, dates, and special days. For example, on Monday, or dates on February 2023, for example. Special days like on Teacher's Day. We use at for exact times and holidays. For example, call me at 12 o'clock. So I hope you do not make these mistakes again. The double negative trap, everybody. Most students are also making this, the double negative trap. For example, they say, I don't have no money. In here, see, don't is also a negative. No money is also negative. So the correct option is I don't have any money. Or you can say, I have no money. Remember that in English, it's like mathematics. 2 negatives create a positive. When you say, I don't have no money, it means you have money. Choose 1 negative form only, not 2 negative forms. You have to remember this. The false friends, everybody. See, I'm going to assist to a lecture. This is a Spanish, a French influence, the word assist. Instead, you can say, I'm going to attend a lecture. This is the correct English. Assist in English means help, not attend, as in some languages. For example, see, in French, when you say assist, it means attend. But in English, assist means help. It is different. Remember, practice makes perfect. Speak regularly, practice with native speakers when possible. Right now, there are lots of applications online. You can use them to find a native speaker to practice your speaking. Read widely. Read novels, news, and blogs to expose yourself to natural English. Write daily, everybody. Even short journal entries build confidence. Listen carefully. Notice how native speakers phrase things differently. How do they make their sentences?